Ever pondered over the gravity of a single video clip in holding law enforcement accountable? In the era of smartphones and ubiquitous technology, the power to document and share has become an integral part of our daily lives. This power has grown to be a vital tool in ensuring transparency and justice, particularly when it comes to recording police interactions, especially when you are dealing with police officers who do not wear body cameras. Amidst the picturesque landscapes of Augusta County, Virginia, this tool has taken on an increasingly significant role. The Augusta County Sheriff's Office, a focal point of allegations of misconduct, investigations, civil rights lawsuits, and now criminal prosecutions of deputies, has been under intense scrutiny. And it is here, amongst the rolling hills and the steady stream of the Shenandoah River, that video evidence has been pivotal in bringing to light the shadows within the Sheriff's Office. Now let's delve into the depths of two intriguing cases that have rocked Augusta County. Meet Deputy C.J. Taylor, a law enforcement officer whose actions were brought to light thanks to vigilant citizens. Taylor, an officer with the Augusta County Sheriff's Office, found himself at the center of a controversy that would shake the community to its core. Allegations of misconduct surfaced against Taylor in what was to become a significant chapter in the ongoing saga of accountability issues within the Augusta County Sheriff's Office. The charges were serious, and the evidence? A video clip recorded by one of his victims that caught Taylor in the act. The video was shocking, and its impact was immediate. It served as a stark reminder of the power of technology in the hands of engaged citizens. Taylor was subsequently convicted, with the video playing a pivotal role in the court proceedings. The case reverberated throughout Augusta County and beyond, sparking widespread discussions about police conduct, transparency, and the role of citizen recordings in holding law enforcement accountable. Following the trial, Taylor appealed his conviction. Breaking Through News is working to determine whether Taylor's legal fees are his own or if they are being paid by the county. So far, our questions about this have gone unanswered. The ripple effects of this case were felt within the Sheriff's Office as well. Under the leadership of Sheriff Donald Smith, the office had already been grappling with a decade-long controversy involving mishandled evidence, associations with convicted human traffickers, and allegations of misconduct. Taylor's conviction added another layer to this complex narrative, further underscoring the urgent need for reform. However, it's important to note that this case was not just about the actions of one deputy. It was a reflection of a systemic issue that extends beyond the confines of Augusta County. It demonstrated the critical role of citizen involvement in ensuring transparency and justice. As we can see, a single video clip can be a game changer. But Deputy Taylor's case is not an isolated incident. It's part of a broader pattern that highlights the need for greater scrutiny, accountability, and systemic reform within law enforcement agencies. The question is, how many more Deputy Taylors are out there, and when will the next game-changing video emerge? Sergeant William Mikolay's case further underscores the power of cameras recording police interactions and just how critical it is for Augusta deputies to get body cameras. Mikolay, another deputy in the Augusta County Sheriff's Office, found himself in the crosshairs of controversy. The issue at hand? Allegations of felony malicious wounding, which in Virginia means a wounding with the intent to maim, disfigure, disable, or kill the victim. Just like in the Taylor case this time, there is video evidence from Albemarle County Sheriff deputies' body cams to back it up. Mikolay was charged after prosecutors reviewed Albemarle County deputies' body cam recordings, showing him in a confrontation that raised serious questions about his allegedly criminal conduct. This video was pivotal in his prosecution at his preliminary hearing last week. It provided a tangible, irrefutable account of the incident, something that could not be ignored nor easily dismissed. The presence of this video evidence was a game-changer, turning what might have been a he-said-she-said dispute into a case with clear visual proof. And it provided an immediate image of the man prosecutors say Sergeant Mikolay beat with the intent to maim, disfigure, or kill him. His blood-soaked face and body is something that will haunt many that were present in court for the body cam video's production to the judge. But what did this mean for the Augusta County Sheriff's Office? The charges against Mikolay being certified to a grand jury and ultimate trial, following on the heels of Deputy C.J. Taylor's conviction, sent shockwaves through the department. It further eroded public trust and confidence in an institution already under scrutiny. The community began to question the leadership and practices within the sheriff's office, particularly under Sheriff Donald Smith, whose tenure has been marked by mounting controversies. The repercussions of Mikolay's case were not limited to the sheriff's office. It had a profound impact on the community as well. Citizens are realizing the need to be more vigilant, more aware of their rights, and more inclined to record interactions with law enforcement. The video evidence from Mikolay's case served as a stark reminder that their recordings can make a difference and that they can play a crucial role in holding law enforcement accountable. The cases of Deputy C.J. Taylor and Sergeant William Mikolay are not isolated incidents. They are part of a broader pattern, a disturbing trend of allegations and convictions within the Augusta County Sheriff's Office. But what can we do about it? Antoine Suter, the police auditor who recorded Deputy Taylor's assaults, says, "Record, record, record. If you get pulled over and you don't record it in Augusta County, it won't be recorded and the courts will never believe you. Protect yourself and your family. If you interact with an Augusta County Sheriff's deputy, turn your camera on and record that interaction if you value your safety and your rights." Suter argues that by recording your interactions, you can bring transparency and accountability to your case, even in the face of obstruction, corruption, or lies when you go to court. You, as a citizen, hold a potent tool in your hands, your smartphone. This device, in the context of police interactions, can play a pivotal role in ensuring transparency and justice. But how do you wield this tool effectively and responsibly in Virginia? Firstly, know your rights. In Virginia, it is legal to record police officers while they are performing their duties in public. This right is protected under the First Amendment. However, as with any right, there are guidelines to follow. Maintaining a safe distance is crucial. While there isn't a set rule for how far you should be, the key is to ensure that your presence isn't interfering with the police officer's duties. Several feet away is generally considered a safe distance, but use your judgment based on the situation. Next, while it's not a legal requirement, announcing your intent to record can help alleviate potential tension. A simple statement such as, "Officer, I am recording this interaction for both our safety," can go a long way. If you can't do that, consider calling police dispatch and letting them know you are recording the interaction for your safety and convenience, which is your right. Lastly, use your technology wisely. Ensure your device is recording in the highest quality possible. This not only provides clearer footage, but can also help in capturing important details that might be missed in lower quality video. Additionally, consider using apps that automatically upload your footage to a cloud storage. This can be crucial in safeguarding your footage in case your device is damaged or confiscated by a corrupt police officer. It's also important to remember that recording isn't just about capturing misconduct. It's about capturing the truth, whatever that may be. It's about creating an objective record of events that can be referenced in the face of controversy or dispute. Remember, your vigilance can make a difference. But what difference are we talking about? Recording police interactions may just help protect your rights and save your life. We've seen the power of video evidence and the role it plays in law enforcement accountability. The cases of Deputy C.J. Taylor and Sergeant William Mikolay in Augusta County, Virginia are stark reminders of this. The significance of these recordings is twofold. Not only do they provide tangible proof in the pursuit of justice, but they also serve as a catalyst for much-needed reform within the system. When citizens are actively involved in holding law enforcement accountable, it fosters transparency, bolsters trust, and ultimately strengthens the bond between the community and its protectors. In the face of controversy and amidst calls for change, remember this: your smartphone isn't just a communications device. It's a tool that just might save your life. To stay updated on the latest in police misconduct and corruption news, subscribe to Breaking Through News on the Newsbreak app or at breakingthrough.com.